Focus lesson number 13, figurative language. In this lesson, we focus on the concepts of simile and metaphor. The first question wants you to identify two examples of simile in the passage. One example of simile is that summer rolled out before us like a magic carpet. The ocean sparkling like a molten blue jewel. Summer days trickled by as smoothly as the drops of water that drip from our hair onto our sunburned shoulders after each swim. So to verify or clarify, simile is a comparison between two unlike things using the words like or as to draw that comparison. The second question wants you to identify two examples of metaphor in the passage. Some examples include sun was a bald burning eye, and slow broiling in the tin oven that was our car. Also, a seasonal pilgrimage so that promised land of urban dreams, the seashore. Metaphor is also a comparison between two unlike things. But instead of comparing them directly using like or as, a metaphor actually says that one thing is another thing. But although we know that if we say, you are my sunshine, that you are not actually a ball of light burning in the sky, but that we are using this to say that you bring light into my life. By saying that you are my sunshine, we are using a metaphor. If we say you are like my sunshine, we are using a simile. If you have any questions about understanding the difference between simile and metaphor, it's important that you verify these differences and clarify these differences with your teacher. The third question wants you, in 4 or 5 sentences, to describe a scene, a setting, or a memory that you associate with summer. And in your description, you should use similes and metaphors. There will be many possible correct answers to this question, and I encourage you to make sure that you check over these answers with your teacher. Check and make sure that you have used at least one simile and one metaphor in your answer. Your teacher will not want to look over your answer if you have not tried to use both of forms of the figurative language that you're expected to use for lesson 13.